Are you ready to level up your work to work smarter, not harder? In today's fast-moving world, AI isn't just a buzzword, it's your brainy partner in productivity. From prompt engineering to systems thinking, the right AI skills can boost your value and efficiency like never before. So, here are the top AI skills to learn this year to work smarter. Programming is the foundation of AI. If you want to build, customize, or even effectively work alongside AI systems, you need at least a basic understanding of how they're made. Python is the most widely used language for AI because of its simplicity and huge ecosystem of libraries like Pandas for data manipulation, NumPy for numerical operations, TensorFlow for machine learning, and PyTorch for deep learning. C++ is crucial for performance-heavy tasks like real-time AI in robotics, while R is still a strong choice for statistical modeling. But programming isn't just about writing code, it's about understanding algorithms, the step-by-step processes that allow AI to think. Algorithms like decision trees, gradient boosting, k-means clustering, and convolutional neural networks are the brains behind AI models. If you know how these work, you can not only build better systems, but also understand their limitations and debug them when they go wrong. Here's a real-world example. Recommendation engines like those used by Netflix or Spotify, they're built on algorithms that filter and rank content based on your past behavior. Without understanding the code and logic behind these algorithms, you can't improve them. Machine learning is the beating heart of AI. It's the process where systems improve by learning from data. Whether it's predicting stock market trends, detecting fraudulent transactions, or identifying diseases from medical scans, ML is everywhere. There are three main types of ML. Firstly, supervised learning. This model learns from labeled examples. For example, training AI to identify spam emails using a dataset of spam and not spam messages. Next, there's unsupervised learning. The model finds patterns without labels, like clustering customers by purchasing habits. Then there's reinforcement learning. The AI learns through trial and error, as in training robots to walk or game-playing AIs like AlphaGo. Tools like Scikit-learn, TensorFlow, and PyTorch make it easier than ever to experiment with these techniques. But beyond using these tools, you need to understand the lifecycle of an ML project: data collection, pre-processing, model selection, training, evaluation, and deployment. Another real-world example is that Amazon uses machine learning to forecast demand and recommend products to millions of customers in real time. NLP is how machines understand and respond to human language. It's the technology behind translation apps, voice assistants like Siri and Alexa, chatbots, and even search engines. Key concepts include tokenization, which is the process of breaking text into words or subwords, sentiment analysis, which is detecting emotions in text, and named entity recognition, which is identifying people, places, and organizations. More advanced work involves transformer-based models like BERT and GPT, which have revolutionized NLP by allowing AI to understand context and meaning far better than before. NLP has huge applications: automating customer service, scanning thousands of legal documents in seconds, monitoring brand sentiment on social media, or even helping doctors transcribe and analyze patient records. Another real-world example is that Grammarly uses NLP to suggest better grammar, word choice, and tone adjustments in real time. AI simply can't function without high-quality data, and that's where data analysis comes in. It's about cleaning, organizing, and interpreting data so that models can learn from it effectively. On the math side, you'll need firstly linear algebra for matrix operations in neural networks. Secondly, probability and statistics for making predictions and assessing accuracy. Thirdly, you'll need calculus for optimization during model training. You'll also need hands-on skills like SQL for querying databases, Excel for quick analysis, and visualization tools like Tableau or Power BI. Being able to turn raw, messy data into actionable insights is a career-defining skill. Airlines use data analysis in the real world to predict demand, adjust ticket prices, and optimize flight routes. Computer vision is the branch of AI that enables machines to interpret and understand visual information from the world. It's what powers facial recognition systems, self-driving cars, medical image analysis, and automated quality inspection in factories. At its core, computer vision combines image processing, pattern recognition, and deep learning. Skills here include understanding convolutional neural networks, object detection methods like YOLO and faster RCNN, image segmentation techniques, and working with frameworks such as OpenCV, TensorFlow, and PyTorch. Computer vision is exploding in demand because businesses are realizing the value of automating tasks that involve visual inspection or recognition. In healthcare, AI systems can detect diseases like cancer from X-rays and MRIs faster than human doctors in certain cases. In retail, it's used for automated checkout systems and inventory tracking. In manufacturing, it can spot defects in products in real time, reducing waste and improving quality control. Tesla's self-driving technology relies heavily on computer vision to detect lanes, read road signs, and identify obstacles, making split-second decisions to keep passengers safe. With generative AI tools becoming everyday workplace assistants, prompt engineering is exploding in demand. It's the art of writing precise, context-rich instructions that guide AI models to produce the best possible output. A poorly written prompt might give you vague or incorrect results, while a well-crafted one can generate highly accurate, creative, and relevant content. This applies to text, images, and even code generation. Prompt engineering isn't just about wording, it's about understanding the model's behavior, experimenting with examples, and structuring prompts logically. Many professionals now use prompt chains, where one AI output feeds into the next stage of a workflow. In the real world, marketing teams use prompt engineering to generate ad copy tailored to specific customer segments, reducing the time from idea to campaign launch. Generative AI takes things a step further. This isn't just using AI, it's building it to create brand new content. This can be writing articles, designing logos, producing videos, composing music, or generating code. Skills here include fine-tuning models like GPT or Stable Diffusion for specialized use cases, building AI-powered apps via APIs, and integrating generative AI into business systems. You'll also need to understand how to evaluate outputs for accuracy, bias, and brand alignment. The generative AI market, well, that was valued at over $66 billion in 2025, and it's projected to triple by 2030. Businesses need people who can customize these tools to their unique needs. Architectural firms are using generative AI to create dozens of design variations instantly, helping clients choose layouts faster. AI, it's not replacing developers, it's becoming their best collaborator. AI-assisted coding tools like GitHub Copilot, Amazon Code Whisperer, and Tabnine can write boilerplate code, suggest improvements, and even spot bugs before you run the program. The productivity gains, they're huge. Developers using these tools report being able to code 20 to 50% faster. But the real benefit? It's freeing up mental space for creative problem solving and complex system design. Learning how to integrate these tools into your workflow while maintaining code quality and security will be a must-have skill for any software engineer in the next few years. Startups with small engineering teams, they use AI-assisted tools to build prototypes in weeks instead of months. Agentic AI refers to systems that can plan, decide, and act independently. Unlike a simple chatbot that just responds, an autonomous agent can handle a multi-step task from start to finish without constant human oversight. These agents are being used for customer service, supply chain monitoring, research automation, and even negotiating with other AI systems. Skills to learn include reinforcement learning, multi-agent coordination, and API integration. While still a young field, it's expected to grow rapidly over the next 5 years, and early adopters will have a huge advantage. Financial firms are experimenting with AI agents that can monitor markets, execute trades, and adjust strategies in real time. AI projects don't exist in isolation. They affect and are affected by the wider organization. Systems thinking means understanding the ripple effects of deploying AI, how it impacts workflows, data pipelines, user behavior, and business goals. It's the difference between building an AI tool that's impressive in theory and one that actually delivers ROI in practice. Leaders who master systems thinking can identify dependencies, foresee bottlenecks, and ensure AI projects integrate smoothly into the bigger picture. In healthcare, rolling out an AI diagnostic tool isn't just about accuracy, It's about how it fits into doctors' daily workflows, patient data systems, and insurance reporting. AI, it's powerful, yes, but it's not infallible. Critical thinking helps you question AI outputs, identify errors, and make informed decisions rather than blindly trusting the system. Ethical awareness ensures that the AI you work with is fair, transparent, and respectful of privacy. This skill is becoming even more important as governments implement stricter AI regulations. Professionals who can combine technical expertise with an understanding of ethics will play a key role in responsible AI adaptation. Social media platforms rely on teams that assess the fairness of AI moderation tools to avoid censorship bias and protect free expression. AI skills are no longer optional. They're a necessity for working smarter in 2025 and beyond. The best opportunities will go to those who combine strong technical skills like machine learning, NLP, and generative AI with strategic abilities like systems thinking and ethical awareness. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and share which AI skill you're focusing on this year in the comments below.